In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews on Wix. By the end, you'll have a clean, trustworthy reviews section that blends right into your site's design and helps visitors feel confident about your brand. Start in the Wix editor on the page where you want your reviews to live. Open the Elements panel by clicking the plus icon, the Add button, on the left side of the editor. This panel is your toolbox for everything you place on a page. Opening it first gives you quick access to structured pieces that look great and stay consistent across your site. From the Add panel, choose Strip. A strip is a full-width section that makes layout simple and keeps content aligned edge to edge. Using a strip for reviews is ideal because it creates a dedicated band on the page, making your testimonials stand out while remaining responsive across different screen sizes. Inside the strip options, look for the testimonials category. This is where Wix groups pre-designed testimonial layouts. These designs are built with best practices in mind: balanced spacing, readable typography, and clear hierarchy, so you get a polished look without designing from scratch. Browse the templates and select the one that fits your content and style. If you have just a few powerful quotes, a single column or two column layout might feel personal and focused. If you want to showcase multiple voices, a grid or a carousel style template can display more without overwhelming the page. Consider how the layout matches your brand's tone and the rest of your page sections. Drag and drop your chosen template onto the page. Place it where it adds the most context, often just below a hero section, near product details, or above a call to action. As you position it, follow the blue alignment guides for clean spacing with the sections above and below. Leaving a bit of breathing room helps the reviews feel intentional rather than cramped. Now, customize the text for each review. Click into any text box and replace the placeholder copy with real testimonials. Keep quotes concise, specific, and written in the customer's natural voice. Update the reviewer's name and, if applicable, a short descriptor like their role or company to boost credibility. Aim for clear, high-contrast text for readability, and keep formatting consistent across all entries. If your template includes headings or subheadings, use them to frame the section with a title like "What Our Customers Say" and a short supportive line. And that's it. You've added a professional, on-brand reviews section using Wix's testimonial strips, making it easier for visitors to trust and take action on your site.